morning guys. Ayan. Casting ulit tayo sa microbits. So far tayo pa lang yung andito. Ayan. Ito lang yung rod natin. Ayan. Magagamit tayo ng iba dyan in case na madaan tayo sa ibang fishingan. Alright. Okay, the door. Okay, that's it. Let's go. Check natin, mga 6:30 na to. Going high tide. Pinaka peak nya is 8 o'clock. So maganda to, patasan tubig. Sana makahuli tayo or may strikean tayo. Matagal na rin tayong hindi nakapag landang medyo malaking tribali. So, binalik natin yung dating mga setup natin. Gamit tayo ng number 1 na hook, tapos 10 LB na line. Balik natin yung maliit na hook na ginagamit natin. Tingnan natin kung mas madali tayo may strikean doon sa small diameter na leader natin. Okay, right on. Gamitin natin 10 LB muna. Tingnan natin kung nakakagatan tayo nito. Okay. LB. Yun. Hop. Lock. Okay. Yun. Okay, let's go. Alright. Tama lang yung tubig. Okay, check drag there. Okay. First cast natin. Yun. Sana okay. Wala ang first cast. There's a clear spot over there. Oh, morning turtle. Give me fish, my bro. Oh boy, that's 10 LV only. Small diameter. Natin gaano kabisa ang small diameter pagka ano. Oh boy. High tide. Yun na. Yun, yun. Yun, strike tayo boy. Strike tayo boy. Strike tayo boy. Ayun o. Strike. Malaki to boy. Strike tayo boy. Yun, strike. Strike tayo boy. Strike tayo boy, strike. Huwag natin pwersahin to. Ayun o. Strike tayo boy. Huwag natin pwersahin to. Maliit lang yung hook natin. 10 LB tayo. Strike tayo boy. Ayan o. Lose natin drag little bit. May speed yung drag natin. Yun. Yun. Strike tayo. Natsambahan natin sa maliit na hook. Dating setup na ginagamit natin. Ayun o. Okay. Yun. Winawag niya oh. Winawag niya yung ano natin. Ayun na. Pagurin natin to ng gusto. Ano kaya to? Parang ang bird tree valley to. Oh. On record on record. Malayo-layo rin to. Let's start pulling now. Yun. Start pulling now, my boy. Okay. Tayo. Problema natin to yung hook natin kasi maliit. Natsambahan tayo sa maliit na hook. Sana malad natin to. Nakakabahan ako sa setup natin. Kung kailan tayo nag number 1 na hook, saka naman may kumagat. Ayun na naman. Tabi tayo, nababasa na ako. Ayun na, mag-umpisa ng humila. Oh. Pag dinigpitan ko drag nito, sigurado natin niya yung hook natin. Oh. Layo na rin. Huh? Ayan boy. Woo. Ubusin mo na naman line ko. Huli ka. Wag boy, wag. Huwag mo ubusin line ko boy. Butik na yan. Lalim na naman oh. What? Yung pwedeng persahin to, puputulin yung hook natin. Oo natin niya pala. What? Lalim na oh. Lalim na oh. Oh boy. No. Natsambahan tayo sa 10 LB. Come on boy. Tignan na, layo ah. What? Layo na. Come on boy. Will retrieve some line. Come on boy, retrieve some line. What? Oh boy. Nawagwag na yung ano niya eh. Oh, likaw. Okay. Wala, makaretrieve tayo ng line natin. Look at this. Look at that, how he wags his there. Holy cow. Oh boy. Nasaan ka na? Yun na, bumalik na. Papunta na siya dun. Kanina doon pa hila. Ayan, humarap na. Inawagwag niya talaga yung ulo niya, no? Oh. Oh, boy. What? Ubusin line ko, boy. What? Hindi ka pa pagod? 10 LB lang at saka number 1 yung hook natin dyan, boy. Kaya retrieve tayo ng line. Retrieve tayong line. Come on, boy. Retrieve tayong line. Wow. Come on, boy. Walang ya. Kung kailan ka titigil. What? There. Come on. Kung kailan ka titigil, boy. Ha? Lalim na, oh. Lalim na nung nakuha niyang line natin. Daan-daan lang siyang humihila, eh, oh. Come on, boy. Woo. It's on the rock already, boys. It's on the rock. Yung bato. Yung kailan naman na gumamit tayo ng small diameter, saka naman na jamba sa malaki. That's what I'm telling. Small diameter, easy to get strike. The only thing now is to how you play with this guy, how you play it, so not gonna break your leader. Come on, boy. Slowly retrieving line. Kailan ka mapapagod? Ayun na. Siya ba yun? Nandun sa may batuhan. Only ka. What? What? Oh, laki nito. What? Ano ba to? Come on, boy. Don't do it again, boy. Don't do it again, boy. I need to get a video of this one. What? Hey! Don't finish my line, brother. What? Don't finish my line. What's this? This a tuna? This a tuna? What? Oh, come on, boy. Come on, boy. Boy. Yeah.
You want me?
It's okay. I'm good, thank you.
Why? It looks like very big. Just a moment. Wow.
Oh!
No way.
Woo!
Wow.
Finish the line.
Oh no.
Only guys. Finish the line.
Wow.
Not ours. This is 300 yards.
Wow.
Finish my line. We get all the way to the spool. Finish the line, man. What? Yeah. Finish the line. Woo! Finish the line. See? Cut the leader. Cut the leader. See? Cut the leader. Look. That's a big one. Ha? Naputol? Inuubos yung line ko. Ayan o, putol o. Hindi kasi gumamit lang ako ng 10 LB. Tapos maliit yung ano. Natsambahan niya. Oh, putol. Inuubos, sinagad. Alaya. Visit na yan. Kasi lagi akong di nakakahuli sa 12. Sabi ko, ibabalik ko yung dating setup ko na 10. Tapos maliit na hook, number 1. Pangatlong casting ko dito, dinali. Oh. Putik na yan. Natsambahan. Sabi ko na nga ba, small diameter lang katapat nito. Holy cow. See? That's the one I'm telling. Small diameter, easy to get strike, but the problem is how you gonna land it. It's on how you gonna play with your but it's too big. Putik na yan. Putol. Ha? Ano? Oo.
Malaki ha?
Gas oh. Oh. Sabi ko mag 10 LB lang ako ngayon dahil babalik ko yung dating setup ko na ganon. Puta, dinali. Nandaan siya pero ganon yung ano ko, binawagwag niya ganon. Hindi ko napansin, ubos na pala yung linya ko. Inubos. Layo. Sinagad hanggang doon sa spool. Putik na yan. Woo! This is what I'm worried about. Our hook, we only use, on that setup, we only use number 1 hook. And look at this, how small. See this one? Very small hook. That's the one I'm worried about. Not forcing it because if what's gonna happen, it's gonna bend the line, the hook. See? And the second one is our leader. It's only 10 lb leader, so you have to make him tired, but he's too much. He finished the line. Look at how long our leader over there. See? Okay, we're gonna set up again with this number 1 hook again. Maybe it hook up just the side of the mouth, that one. Try again. Try again one more time, maybe. Alright. This is how we do it. Cut it like that. There. Oh. See. 4. Right on. We try it again, baby. That side. Okay, let's go. Woo. We didn't land that big strike. Maybe next time. I don't know, I'm gonna change my setup again. Our leader, maybe we're gonna get 16 lb, but it's hard to get strike with that leader. Okay. Okay, that's how fishing is. Okay, let's go. Woo.